Hello viewers. Today, we'll show you how to generate a stock card report using SQL accounting software. The stock card helps you track stock movement and cost within a specific period. You can also view stock movement by location and batch, making it easier to monitor your inventory in detail. Let's begin. First, you can filter the report by date, stock group, item, location, batch, or other available criteria. On the right side, you'll see several options to refine your report. Select the options that best fit your reporting needs. Then, click Apply. You'll see a list with details such as location, stock group, item code, batch, and balance quantity. If you click on an item, the system will display the transaction breakdown, including purchases, sales, and stock entries. At the bottom, you'll also find a summary of the total quantity and cost, giving you a quick view of overall stock movement. Next, click Preview and choose the report format you prefer. The generated stock card report will display the price in blue, cost in red, quantity in, quantity out, balance quantity, unit cost, and total cost. Now, let's look at the three costing methods available in SQL accounting software. First, fixed costing. The cost is always based on the reference cost set in maintained stock item. Even if you change the cost directly in an invoice, the system will still follow the reference cost, so it is important to keep this value updated in maintain item, reference cost. Second, weighted average. The cost is calculated by dividing the total cost by the total quantity. For example, if you purchase 5 units at RM50 and 3 units at RM70, the total cost is 250 plus 210 is equal to 460. Dividing 460 by the 8 units gives you a unit cost of RM57.50. Third, FIFO, which are first in, first out. It assumes that the earliest stock purchased will be sold first. For example, if you have 5 units at RM50 and 3 units at RM70, and 6 units are sold, the system will allocate 5 units at RM50 and 1 unit at RM70, leaving a balance of 2 units at RM70. And that's it. We've successfully generated a stock card report in SQL accounting software. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.